Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be cooking, something from HelloFresh. I'm not sure if you're familiar with HelloFresh, but basically, this is not an advertisement, by the way. I bought this with my hard-earned money. We're gonna be making shrimp and scallop scampi. Yes, I know. Modigane Jan and Saya and Master Kakra, Nanya de Bia Bankuni Fufone, Sanyaman, so what I say. So today we're gonna be following. It's so easy to make. This is something that I always order, and I wanted to try something different. And I need the Biani Mutu and Bankune, so what I say. I kind of want to sim and Tinano Yabe shrimp and scallop scampi. So, y'all know as Africans, we like to eat the same things over and over again, so we're trying to change it. Change system kakra. That's what I say. Okay, and now mutu kakra. Chna not just say shrimp and scallop kakra. We bibian kakra kakra. That's what I say. So this is how it comes. It's packaged in bags. This is the shrimp, and this is basically whatever ingredients that you need. And they send you a paper with the recipe and whatever you need to follow. And basically, when you're done, this is how the food is supposed to look. Ooh, I know the glare. But yeah, we're gonna try to make this today, and I hope it comes out great, because HelloFresh, I trust you, and I know I'm manifesting this in the future. They're going to be sponsoring me so I can make more videos. Also, I have my wine right here. I like really sweet wines, so let me not prolong this whole introduction and let's get right into the video. But let me taste this first, because it's good. The guy at the wine shop, I normally go for Badenera, but he told me to try this, and this is really good too. I love white and red wine. It has to be sweet though. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, you guys, on one last thing before I start, I'm gonna show y'all the ingredients, okay? I forgot to take out my shrimp and scallops from the fridge to defrost, so we're gonna work with it. Also, do not come for my nails. I know it looks horrible. I went for training. I just came back. Do you know how much I love you to do this? And that explains why my nails is looking very questionable. So if it bothers you so much, feel free to send me the money to go do it, because I just got back home and I have to really love y'all to do this. But okay, I'm gonna go straight into the ingredients. And as I said, my shrimp and my scallop, it's still frozen, but we're gonna work with it. So basically, all the stuff comes in a bag, the paper bag that I just showed you. I took everything out of it. So we have our pasta, we have parsley, we have some Parmesan cheese, we have roasted garlic herb, we have chicken stock. It's so cute how they package these ingredients. We also have some crushed chili flakes. No, it's not crushed. It's just chili flakes. And they have in 2 cloves of garlic, taken apart, and lemon, and of course our scallop and shrimps. They did not necessarily add some stuff like salt, and because you probably have that at home. That's just common sense. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep this, and we're gonna follow the instructions. Everything is written here. We're gonna follow it, and you're gonna be making this with me, okay? Don't let me forget anything. So we're gonna go ahead and prep this stuff. It says bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, wash and dry the produce. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my stove to medium high and fill my pot of water. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt in here. Salt. Onto the stove. And we're gonna go ahead and prep the ingredients as it says. See? And quarter lemons. I hate the seeds. By the way, I don't like the zest because it makes it too lemony. I don't necessarily care for that, so I'm gonna avoid the zest. But you surely can. I'm not a fan of the zest. I'm gonna go ahead and chop my parsley. So now on to the next step. We have this is our scallop and shrimps. And it says to pat it dry with a paper towel. Oh my God. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna pat it dry with a clean paper towel. That's what it said. That's what they said. That's not what I'm saying. That's what it said. And then you're gonna place that in a bowl. So this is my bowl right here. Okay, this is not pat dry in any way, shape, or form, but it'll work. You don't always get it 100%, okay? It'll be fine. I'm gonna add that in a bowl. Maybe I should have gotten a bigger bowl. Okay. I'm gonna change the bowl. So now back onto our shrimp and scallop. I'm gonna go ahead and I pat it dry with a paper towel. I'm gonna toss it with a lemon zest, but because I do not have the lemon zest, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other stuff. So I'm gonna add 1/4 of the garlic in here. Just 1/4. A drizzle of olive oil. You don't necessarily have to always follow it to a T. You can use whatever oil you got, just a drizzle. And a pinch of salt. And also it says the chili flakes. Remember? It says you're going to use a pinch of chili flakes. And I guess you're gonna mix everything together. It also says, whilst you're doing all the other stuff, you gotta keep an eye for the water. So when it starts boiling, you're gonna add your pasta in here. And you're gonna stir occasionally till it's soft. But nobody got time for that. I'm gonna just leave this in here. And it's going to get soft. Because Jesus is going to take this wheel. Thank you. For this part, you want your heat on high, it says. And in a large pan, I guess we're going to fry or whatever our scallops and shrimps. We're going to go ahead and add our scallop and shrimps in. You're gonna go ahead and stir in 1 tablespoon of butter, and then when it melts, you're gonna go ahead and turn off your fire and pour out all the juice and everything into a container. Okay. I went ahead and I drained the pasta I'm also gonna go back and put my pan, the one I cooked the scallop and the shrimp in. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on here. Turn on your heat to medium heat. Also, don't forget to save half a cup of your pasta, the pasta water. Save it. That's what I saved. Because then I want to see the measuring cup at home. Also, I don't know how they think that we're gonna get butter. What do you want about one for butter and count? What is semi butter with you? But anyways, I have it, so I'm gonna use it. Or say use 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our remaining butter. I mean garlic. You know what I mean. The stock concentrate, you're gonna stir it in. Remember, they gave us 2 of those, so you're gonna stir both in. Honestly, Ghana, I know you asked that what can you substitute for stock concentrate. I feel like say you can use stock. No. I see. I know. I really don't know, but basically the stock, yes, chicken stock. Chicken to be precise. I think that you can use that in like just a little bit. Omani thicker. Yeah, no way use it. So you're gonna go ahead and pour out of the half, 1/4 of this stock. This is the jakaka. I'm gonna pour that in here. Yeah, but food in your mouth, boy. You see a bear again. You're gonna go ahead and let this cook for a little bit and let it drain a little bit. And see, Ghana for because of my name for like 1 to 2 minutes. So now you're gonna go ahead and add your pasta. You're gonna also add your soup. I need to wash this. Shrimp and scallop scampi. So yeah, you're gonna add all of that in here. You would think I learned from the first time it falling off, but no. And then you're gonna mix everything together. You're also gonna add in all your garlic, roasted garlic herb. So the garlic herb, I feel like it's butter and garlic mixed together in case you want to make it yourself. Yeah, that's yeah. And also you're gonna add half of your cheese and half of your parsley. You're gonna mix everything in here. The water keeps, getting dry. You can always add splashes of your pasta water in there so it's not dry. Alright, I'm gonna turn up the heat now and add in some squeezes of lemon. This is optional. You don't have to add it in if you don't want to. And also make sure you took out all your seeds so you don't have lemon seeds in your food. Well, if you do want it in your food, that's your preference. But if you don't, make sure you take it out of your food. This is getting a bit dry, so I'm gonna add the last bit of stock in here. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this, and I'll be right back in a second. It was nice filming with you guys, but I gotta go because I'm hungry. But this looks so good. It looks exactly like a picture. Look at this. And look at that. And it tastes. I wish y'all could try it. But this is so good. Let me know how this comes out when you make it in the description bar. Until next time, peace.